Showing you how to set up your favorites on the checkout page. So from the checkout page, you'll have a favorites tab. By default, this is going to be blank. So if you get to this page and you see these little boxes and they don't have anything in them, that's because we need to set up our favorites. If you click on the service tab, you'll see what these look like when they're blank. It'll look like this. So to set those up, you'll go to your navigation menu. You'll go to Setup, Setup Ticket Preferences, and click the Favorites tab. From here, if you click on a item, you'll have drop-down options to select if you would like your favorite to be a service, a product, or a promotion. Once you select your type, then you'll select your category. This will show either the service group or the product line. And then from here, you'll select your item. So it'll show you a list of all of those items. Once you select it, you can go ahead and click Update Favorites. If you'd rather just search for an item, you can come in here and type in an item and click Search. And let me try another option. There we go. So if I just type in a SKU number, it will allow me to search for that specific item and then go ahead and click Update Favorites. And that will update the item here. And then of course, don't forget to hit Save. And then that will show in your checkout. And you can do that for each of those buttons. Thank you for watching and have a great day.